So are you an expert in either fitness, entrepreneurship, social media marketing, wherever? And do you want to make money with coaching people on it? Yo, so guys, and today I'm gonna take you through the process, the basic process of online coaching, and not just coaching in fitness, but coaching in general. It can be about any niche that's out there. You just have to have knowledge, and you just have to have information you can give to the other person who's gonna be paying you. As you guys know, information is everything. Information is key in today's era, and we basically, with online coaching, it's just basically selling information. And it's pretty much, it's not the most passive one, it's actually the most active one for selling information, because you're gonna have to be diving deep into your clients. You're gonna have to dive deep into their needs, in their questions, and everything. You're gonna have to answer everything you can, what they will want to know. And right now I'm gonna show you some footage from yesterday's personal brand review. It's one of the things I do in my online coaching. I go through their personal brand, I check out everything, and I go from their Instagram, YouTube, everything I can dive into, I check that out. And I give them everything they need to do, they need to fix, to like at least double, triple, 10x their followers and their engagement and everything. I give them the small keys and the big keys. Everything they need to know. So, let's get right into that. Okay, so
all right.
So let's let the roast begin. I'm gonna open. Actually, I'm gonna open. Can you see the screen? Right? You can see the screen, or you can't.
I can't.
Okay.
Can't.
Yeah. So one thing that could fix that is doing high key photography, and high key photography is. I'm gonna show you in a second from Pixel in Google. Something. Something like this. And the thing why this is important is because as you can see, the human eye likes light/contrast. This means that the human eye, you know, whenever you see something that's either bright or has high contrast, your eye just flocks to it. This one didn't have any bait, and yeah, it's just 15 comments, and you can see the difference in likes, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And what the thing I'm doing right now is, okay, this one is much better, you know what I mean?
That was
But
a bit off.
yeah, but I mean, you feel me? Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
What about that one in the right, left? Doing the barber curl or bicep curls. That one.
Yeah, this one's right. I don't remember seeing it. Yeah. So as you guys saw, I think I like to make a quick little presentation beforehand, so it's kind of acts like as notes for me, and it's good, like it's easy for the person I'm coaching to follow, like for him to follow what I'm saying too. So it's a great additional thing you can add. And basically, before all this happened, I reached out to him and asked him what did he want to know, you know, what were his problems, stuff like that. And in this coaching call, before that, I got all of the answers he needed written down beforehand. It was super easy if you do it as like a personal brand review, as I'm doing, because like if you're doing a personal brand review, just hit them up and then like, yeah, you just review their personal brand, and when you can do the call, you just do the call. And why online coaching is so great for you to earn income, it's because, by the way, it's not just a way to earn money. That's number one thing. Second thing, it's also great for networking, because if you're gonna be out there talking with somebody eye to eye, like one to one, they're gonna like, you know, you're gonna get this connection. And if you can help them out, like even if they pay you and you help them out, they'll help you out back somehow, right? Somehow they will, because if you provide value, they're provided back. Even if they pay you, if you provide enough value, they'll provide you something back. And the process of online coaching, when I'm out there and coaching my clients, I usually go like this. Number one thing, I answer the questions he had beforehand, or the thing we talk about beforehand, and after, I asked him if there's anything he didn't understand or he wants to like learn more about, right? So I pretty much go all through all of those things. At the start, I recommend you doing free online coaching calls. And whenever you see free online coaching call, nothing of value is for free. So that's why most of the time when the big, like, you know, influencers, stuff like that, give out free coaching calls, it's more or less like a funnel. It's a funnel to a bigger product, to a masterclass in something like that. So keep this in mind. I'm actually going to be bringing a guy on who's an expert in funnels to teach you guys all about that. I'm going to be also talking about funnels, and I'm going to be telling you how to build a funnel for just $20 when starting. Just $20. And most of you know this company, ClickFunnels, and it charges you a couple of $100 a month. Right, so it's like a huge gap, and you'll get an even better site in ClickFunnels, and it's gonna be super easy to create. But yeah, I got off topic, but I think I've pretty much mentioned everything you guys need to know. I think this is it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fucking video. I did enjoy creating it, and yeah, all I have to say is peace and kill it out there, guys.